What's up, people? As you guys should already know, I was chosen to be a part of a collaborative video that had like Jamaicans from different parts of the world. So I said, why not show you guys some behind the scenes things so you can see how this here Jamaican make video upon YouTube.
Hi.
So this is Daniela getting ready to do our makeup thing for the Jamaican collab video.
Yes.
You don't know, right? So for this video, my partner in crime was Miss 876 Beauty. So since we had these crazy ideas, we decided to head over to the mall, and it was like filming one of those get your heart rate going like type movies like Twilight. Alright, so we're walking. Yo, the sun hottie. Lord. Basically, the first scene was the intro where your character is introduced. Like in the final video, it shows like this whole high-tech thing was like locating different Jamaican YouTubers all over the world. And since Danielle does makeup, she's introducing us doing the makeup.
I put on a lip gloss this morning.
And since I love forgive joke, that's how I was introduced. Oh, she's so stush. And with all these epic camera angles, we had to plan this thing out very strategically. So a lot of blood and sweat went into filming this. And so this is Leroy Sedman Kenton with Miss 82XP, whatever her name is.
876 Beauty. Hi.
For the life of me, I could not get her name right.
It's coming up, guys, so look out for that.
Yes, with Leroy and Miss Beauty XP Z2123.
Miss 876 Beauty.
Yes. She was probably like,
who this a Jamaican and mess up my name? I should have boxed him down.
With all that goes through my head on a daily basis, it's just hard to remember some things. What? And after the first scene was done, the next one was really simple. All it is just us hearing the Jamaican national anthem start.
Jamaica land we love. Boom.
And then we had to stand at attention as things got really epic and that beautiful song was being played in the background. Shooting this Jamaican collaboration because you know that Jamaican independence is coming, and you know we just have to do something special. What date?
August the 6th.
And sometimes she had to be the cameraman, but like, is it cameraman if a girl is holding the camera? Camera woman? Yeah, that sounds good. And then we had to do the closing part where we say that we're 100% Jamaican no matter which part in the world that we go.
Whether yard or abroad, I'm 100% Jamaican.
Take number 52. So she did her part good, you know, sitting down in the driver's seat, you know, everything was crisp, everything was gravy. Then out of nowhere, we see these two Nigerian guys pass by with a basketball in their hand, you know, doing their thing. So I decided to show off a little bit. I said, yo, I can lick 3-pointers with my eyes closed. Getting the ball in the net, that was like, how much takes?
Like 10.
One take?
Like 10.
One take? But we got it.
Yeah, we got it in.
Exactly.
Woo, we're done.
We are done like a bucket of chicken.
We're done like a bucket of chicken.
We're done, man.
Oh yeah, the chicken finished.
Yeah, the chicken done. She's a bit slow, people, but don't tell her that. So when it comes to filming anything, sometimes, you know, you just have to be a little bit patient with things because you feel like go through it again and again and again and again. But I learned a valuable lesson that day. I'm sticking to soccer, and big respects to YouTube user Jamaican Sinting. She was like the mastermind behind this whole thing, you know, got everyone together, got the whole video put together. Everything was wicked, not the bad wicked, but the good wicked. And again, for all these beauties out there, you can check her out. All the ladies that love the makeup and all the men that love ladies, check her out.
That's funny.
With all this said and done, I have a question to ask you guys. What? Leave your thoughts and comments down below in the boombox, and if that question was too hard for you, as we do every Friday on Fresh Till Death, try and solve this week's riddle. So until next time, people, I'm Leroy Sedman Kenton with
Miss 876 Beauty.
boom. We're out.
Out.
Outie like a belly button. Outie like a belly button. I'm done. Jamaicans in Canada, that's how we do. And when me and the other Jamaicans get together, they always talk about, Leroy, you're not real Jamaican, you're Canadian. So what? Yeah, I'm Canadianized. And I still love my ackee, my saltfish, my roast breadfruit, my boiled banana, my bami, suck and bag juice, all of them kind of thing, people. So yeah.